Thank you and enjoy the performance and the rest of your day here at Tweetsie Railroad.
Y'all are a good-looking bunch. Everyone have a good time today? Yeah! Going kind of straight full of God Angeles, did you? Oh, well, that's good. We want everyone to visit our town Tweetsie to have a good time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of our show. The Tweetsie Palace Saloon. Now, on the count of three, I want y'all to yell out where you're from, okay? 1, 2, 3. Well now, how many of y'all here today are returning customers to Tweetsie? Okay, well how many of y'all first timers today?
Now, Marshall, you know it doesn't matter where they're from as long as they keep coming back to Tweetsie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most precious jewel of the West, Miss Diamond Liv. That's right, Miss Lil. That's the whole purpose of this here town meeting. Now, I'm sure we got some pretty anxious town folk out there, so let's get right to it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next... Wait. He didn't sign up.
Oh, sorry.
What's your name, boy?
Marshal Cowboys.
Collins. And your first name?
Marshal.
No, Marshall. Your first name.
It's Marshal. Wrap it up.
So, you're Marshal Collins?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our very own Marshal Collins, performing I'm From the Country.
Living with the crazies and the old wildcats, hard on we have the cast of the Tweetsie Palace.
Yeah.
Then we have me, Marshal Collins. Now, our next act comes straight to us. What is it, Rusty?
I have a talent. Smell it, Danny, a talent.
Boys.
Cookery.
What is it, buddy?
I'm the best darn starer this side of Tweetsie. It's true.
Oh, staring contest. All right, we're going up here, Rusty.
All right, Steve.
All right, now for this one. For this one, I'm going to need a volunteer. IQ above 3. Anybody? Any volunteers?
There's 2.
That's right. Anybody? 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 How about you, little lady? Come over here. Give her a block,
Wait, she beat me on the
come over here, sir. All right. What's your name? Meredith? Marshal Collins. Nice to meet you. You ever been to staring contest before? You have? All right. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's review the rules for those people out there who've never been to staring contest before, all right? Now, first off, he's going to look at you. Now, here's the real hard part. You got to look right back at him. Now, first one to break his or her gaze is a loser. Are you ready? All right. We turn you around. Get you in position. All right. Now, don't take your eyes off each other. On the count of 3, I want y'all to turn and face each other. Cowboys, get a drum roll, please. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, thank you. You're big back. All right, you're back to seat.
You're taking the trash out.
I got you. I got you. Sorry, sharing, folks.
You're going to die.
All right, now that's a pretty good act. Now I think these two guys who are coming up right next might be able to stand a chance against that.
I want to see their guns.
Hey, you fellas settle down out here. I don't want any rough houses.
Miss Smith.
I want to see the Cloggers.
So do I.
If you would settle down, I was getting ready to do something. They're a little shy, okay? Girls, go backstage. We'll get you in a minute, all right? Now, like I was saying, those two railroad rowdies, those boys that keep my toes a-tapping, would you please help me in welcoming